Ever found yourself captivated by a new app, wondering how it seamlessly anticipates your needs? Or perhaps you've marveled at a website's intuitive design, making your online experience effortless. Behind many successful projects is a dedicated product manager, orchestrating its journey from a mere concept to a market-ready solution. This video will cover the core concepts, skills, and responsibilities of a product manager and explore how product managers bridge the gap between business goals, user needs, and technical feasibility. Product management is about creating value for both the business and the end users. It involves understanding customer needs, anticipating market demands, and aligning these with company capabilities. Product managers bridge these perspectives to ensure the final product exceeds expectations throughout its entire life cycle. So, what exactly does a product manager do? Their role is multifaceted and ever-evolving, spanning the entire product life cycle. There are as many kinds of product managers as there are products, but let's talk about some common responsibilities for product managers. Product managers start as market detectives, researching and analyzing to uncover opportunities. They then bridge the gap between user needs and technical feasibility, collaborating closely with designers and engineers to translate those user needs into tangible product features, ensuring the final product is both desirable and feasible. As strategists, they craft detailed roadmaps, aligning every step with the company's vision. Finally, they champion the product's launch and ongoing improvement through data analysis and user feedback. Throughout, they collaborate with various stakeholders, acting as the voice of the customer and the guardian of the product vision. But product management transcends a mere checklist of tasks. It's about problem solving, leadership, and an unwavering commitment to excellence. A successful product manager possesses a unique blend of skills. They are analytical powerhouses, adept at dissecting complex information and making data-driven decisions. They are master communicators, capable of articulating their vision and galvanizing teams toward a shared goal. And most importantly, they are passionate about their products and the positive impact they have on people's lives. Now let's explore some key phases in a product manager's journey. First comes ideation. This is where creativity and innovation flourish. Product managers brainstorm new concepts, drawing inspiration from a myriad of sources, including customer feedback, market trends, and technological advancements. They scrutinize the feasibility of these ideas, considering technical constraints, market demand, and potential return on investment. A good idea isn't just novel, it's also viable and valuable. However, recognizing an idea isn't good can be just as important. Ideation happens throughout the process, often spinning lessons learned from building one product into an entirely new one. Once a promising idea emerges, it's time for strategy and planning. Here, product managers define the product's vision, outlining its purpose and the value it will deliver. They create detailed roadmaps, breaking down the development timeline and prioritizing features based on their strategic impact. They collaborate with cross-functional teams, including engineering, design, marketing, and sales, to foster alignment and ensure everyone is rowing in the same direction. For established products and services, the plan might be smaller in scope as specific features and enhancements are developed. Sometimes product ideas don't make it past the planning stage. Product managers have to be ready to make tough decisions all along their journey. Next comes execution. This is where the product takes shape. Product managers work hand in hand with designers, using tools like wireframing and prototyping software to create intuitive user interfaces and captivating user experiences. They partner with engineers, leveraging project management tools like agile methodologies to build robust and scalable solutions. They constantly monitor progress, manage risks, and make course corrections as needed to keep the project on track and within budget. Throughout this process, the product manager is gaining domain knowledge and learning how to better collaborate with their teammates and coworkers. Finally, it's time for launch. For some products, this could happen in days or weeks. For many product managers, launch happens after months or even years of research, planning, and development. Well before a product is ready for users, product managers are developing the go-to-market strategy they'll rely on during a launch. Product managers spearhead the marketing and sales efforts, ensuring the product reaches its intended audience with a compelling message. They employ analytics tools to track user behavior, gather feedback, and identify areas for improvement. The launch isn't the finish line, it's the starting point for ongoing iteration and enhancement. Often a single idea may turn into multiple plans and in turn, many launches. Product management is a challenging but rewarding field. It demands navigating market shifts, anticipating customer needs, and making tough decisions. Yet the opportunity to create impactful products and witness them come to life makes it immensely fulfilling for those who thrive in fast-paced, collaborative environments and enjoy solving complex problems.